Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 4.3 by using property of determinant. Question number 6. Determinant element of 0 a minus b minus a 0 minus c b c 0 is equal to 0. So now prove that result become 0, come to 0. So now let determinant element 0 a minus b minus a 0 minus c and b c 0. So using property not expanding row or column, only using property you can solve. So now taking common out minus 1 from R1, R2 and R3, we get so this is minus 1 from R1 0 minus a b and also common out 1 from R2, so this is minus square. So a 0 c and also taking common out minus 1 from R3, we get minus b minus c and 0. Again, so this is power 3. So determinant is equal to minus 1 की power, this is minus. So this is 0 minus a b a 0 c minus b minus c and 0. Now enter changing row to column, we get delta is equal to minus, so 0. Now change to row to column, so a minus b and this is now a replace and also b and 0 replace to here, so minus c and also replace here, so c and 0. So now this is minus, so 0 a minus b 0 a minus b minus a 0 c b c 0. So now this is delta. So this is delta. So delta is equal to minus delta, delta plus delta is equal to 0. So 2 delta is equal to 0, delta is equal to 0 by 2, delta is equal to 0. Determinant will be 0 RHS. That's all. Question number 7. Now element of determinant minus a square ab ac, ba minus b square bc, ca cb minus c is equal to 4a square b square c square. So now taking LHS. So now determinant minus a square ab ac and BA minus B square BC, CA CB minus C square. So now taking common out A from R1, B from R2 and C from R3, we get so now common out A from R1, so common out A into, so A common out minus A, so B and C. Also common out B from R2, so this is R2, so this is B. So B common out A and this is minus B, so this is C. Also common out C from R3, so C, this is A and B and also minus C. Now adding R1 plus R2, so get R1. So now A, B, C, so R1 plus R2 minus A plus A, B plus minus B and C plus C and A minus B, C, A, B minus C. So now change ABC, this is 0, 0, 2C, A minus B, C, A, B minus C. Now expanding from R1, we get A, B, C. So now 0 and so determinant minus B is C, B minus C and minus 0. So A, C, A minus C and plus 2C, A minus B, A, B. A, B, C. So multiply this 0, multiply by this is 0 plus 2C and also 1 into A into B, this is AB minus, so minus this is minus AB. So ABC also AB plus AB is equal to ABC, ABC and 2C. So 2C into 2AB. So ABC for ABC. So this is A for A square, B square, C square. This is RHS. Now question number 8, first part, element of determinant 1a, a square, 1b, b square, 1c, c square is equal to, now get a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So now taking LHS. So 1a, a square, 1b, b square, 1c, c square. So now R1 minus R2 get R1 and also R2 minus R3 get replace R2. So R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 1, this is 0 and replace R1. A minus B, A square minus B square. Also 0, B minus C and B square minus C square and 1 C, C square and 0 A minus B and break up A square minus B square identity, A minus B, A plus B and 0 B minus C, B plus C and B minus C and 1 C, C square. So now common out. Now common out A minus B from R1 and B minus C from R2. We get So now common out from A minus B from R1, this is R1, and B minus C in R2 we get, so A minus B 0 1 A plus B, and also B minus C from R2, so 0 and 1 and B plus C 1 C square. Now and B minus C common out, so from R2. So expanding C1 we get A minus B and B minus C. So now 0, so this is eliminate row and column, rest 1 B plus C and C square. Also plus minus, this is minus, and 0 also, and eliminate row and column, so 1 A plus B and C square, and plus 1 plus 1, so 1 A plus B and 1 B plus C. So this is calculate. So A minus B and B minus C. So multiply by this result will be 0, and also 0 multiply by this result will be 0, and plus 1 into B plus C to B plus C minus, and 1 into A plus B, in middle minus taking, so A plus B. A minus B and B minus C. So this is B plus C minus A minus B. So B cancel out. So A minus B and B minus C, and also C minus A. So this is RHS. That's all. Thank you.